If you have ever wondered how your jewelry is made, today we're at Nihao Jewelry Factory that produces over 30,000 pieces of jewelry every day. I'll take you to the entire process, from design to finished product. Everything begins here at design stage. Here you can see our colleague drawing the sketches of the jewelry. After a 3D design is completed, a sample will be made, and then wax and diamonds will be applied on its surface, so that mass production molds can be started. Afterwards, we place the molds into casting machine, and tomorrow we'll put in the molten mantle to form the rough shape of the product. Right now, our colleagues are polishing and grinding the casting in order to remove surface imperfections and ensure perfect texture and detail. After that, we will conduct a quality inspection before sending it to electroplating and coloring. And due to the regulations of Chinese government, the plating operation should be carried out in enterprises with special licenses. Once electroplated, it becomes the gold-plated and silver-plated jewelry we're familiar with. Finally, at the production area, we'll perform the final finishing and assembly, adding the accessories and decorations according to the customer's requirements. After finishing all of the jewelry, it will undergo the final quality inspection to ensure that each piece meets the high standards. And then they will be packed and sent all over the world. By the way, we also differentiate between custom-made products for clients and retail products to meet different customer needs. Now you know the whole secret of producing jewelry at Nihao Jewelry Factory. But if you want to know more details, comment and follow to stay tuned.